Hey guys, these are the Mi dual driver earphones that are recently launched, and in this video let's find out how good these are. And guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and also like this video. Let's begin. So these are priced about 800 rupees, and for a change I bought the blue color and it looks really beautiful. Anyway, let's look at the box contents. So in the box you are getting the earphones, a couple of extra ear tips and the user manual. So looking at the earphones, they have the tangle-free braided cable. Also they have the magnetic earbuds, and I believe these are aluminum alloy similar to that of the Mi basic earphones. In terms of fit, these are pretty good as these have the angular design, as you can see the curve. So definitely fit wise it is pretty good. The buttons could have been better. It was a bit of a hit or a miss, but you really need to get used to them, I would say. And there's also mic so you can take calls, and it comes with the L-shaped jack, which is pretty good. So for the price of about 800 rupees, I'd say the build quality is pretty good. I tried calling and the calling experience has been good. Here is the mic sample for you guys. Hey guys, now I'm recording this using the Mi dual driver earphones. Let me know how the mic quality is. I tried calling on this and the calling experience has been good. Now talking about the sound quality, in short, it is pretty impressive. There is definitely a lot of bass. This reminded me of the Realme Buds 2, and even the mids were mostly intact and fairly detailed despite that bass. However, I didn't really find anything that stood out in terms of the treble or the highs because of the dual drivers, but it was just normal, I would say. I'll try and compare these with the Sennheiser CX180, the Realme Buds 2, or even the Petron Boom 4D earphones that are lying around, so that I might give you a slightly better idea. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like this video. That's been it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.